Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what I have right here is a Chasen that is also comes with a stand. If you guys want to, you guys can buy the stand separately. There's actually a bunch of stands that are very similar to this, so that's up to you guys, but I like this one because it has very nice color to it. And then here is a Chasen. Basically when you guys first get the product, it does not look like this. You actually need to use hot water to like open it up and then it becomes like this. And when you guys are done using it and cleaning it, you can just put it back in here to let it air dry and you can use it again next time. So these are actually made out of real bamboo, if you guys can see. Not sure if you can tell or not, but it is real bamboo. You guys can definitely feel the high quality that's on the product itself. Same thing for this stand right here. If you guys are wondering what the inside looks like, that's basically what it looks like inside. So it does have the opening in the middle for this part right here. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself or what's provided here. Let's actually go try this out and show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a matcha right here. So we're just gonna put a little bit on. Alright, that should be good. And then we got our little Chasen right here that we already rinsed. So what I want to do next is add in the water. And make sure the water is hot. So when you guys actually use it, you don't want to add too much water if you guys want it to be more stronger and more bitter. But if you guys want to liquefy it and put some water into it so that way it's not as bitter, you guys can do that later on after you guys mix it with the Chasen. So usually you're supposed to mix it like left and right like this. You guys can go around too, but usually it's better to go left and right, so it actually makes it better. That way you can like get rid of any clumps first. And if you guys need to do it in circles, you can do it later on. But usually it's better to do it left and right first in the beginning. Alright, so that should be good. And you guys can see that's the final product right there. So now you guys can just drink it like that, or you guys can add some more water to liquefy so it's not as bitter and you can drink more of the matcha. So you guys can see that the product itself does work and works quite well. And all you guys need to do now is just rinse it with some water and then put it back into the actual stand that we have right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. All you guys really need to do is just rinse this a little bit and then you start using it. I did notice that when you guys use this, it's actually much better than using a milk frother, because when you guys use the milk frother, it doesn't really like mix it too well compared to using like a Chasen. It actually gets a lot of different parts and coverage, so that way you can fully mix the matcha, especially if it's all clumped up. This actually works a lot better as well, so you can do it manually and target certain areas. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of Chasen that is made out of real bamboo is really worth it, especially if you guys get like a little stand for it to actually put it like this and let it air dry and be ready for you guys to use next time. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.